Y'all up? Y'all good? Alright, bet. What's up, YouTube? QUiNTiN Bakes in the building. If you haven't already, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button. Watch this before you sign up with Chime. Very, very simple. I'm gonna be giving out tips. Chime is actually giving out $75 to you. Yes, $75 to you. All you have to do is download my link. Basically download Chime using my link. They're gonna give you guys $75. All you gotta do is connect that direct deposit. Check that link right there, somewhere in the description. It's gonna be there. And I'm gonna get right into this because you know, a lot of people have been asking me about this, the SpotMe feature. Chime has increased the SpotMe feature to $200. $200. Now, as I mentioned before, personally, I'm not using the feature. You know what I mean? I'm not taking part in that, but it's there. You know what I mean? It's there to use. So guys, if you guys want $200 of the SpotMe, first you gotta like this video, subscribe, download Chime using my link. They're gonna give you guys $75 easy $75. But I'm actually gonna be telling you guys who's eligible, how can you get qualified, all the good stuff. Alright, now stimulus payments are coming. We've got your back with SpotMe. A lot has changed since the first round of stimulus payments in April. What hasn't changed is our commitment to our members. A second wave of stimulus payments is coming, and we know that every minute counts. So we're offering temporary access to 200 of spending power. Meaning they know the stimulus, they know what's going on with these stimulus checks, they know how they know what's up, right? So with the stimulus package, they're basically saying if you got your direct deposit through there, you can you're getting your $200. So if you have your direct deposit through, you got your $200 already. Through SpotMe to a random selection of eligible Chime members, we're happy that we can now offer this temporary increase spending power to 5 times more members than we were able to in April, and I hope this brings financial peace of mind in advance of stimulus payments. So basically they give you an advance to your advance because these stimulus payments, they're on their way, and they're basically saying we know they're on their way, so we're going to up the increase because they're going to get the money right back. You know, maybe that's how they get their money, you know what I mean, on the back end, I don't know, you know what I mean, but basically they're gonna say we're increasing the SpotMe feature, so for the people that have the stimulus checks or whatever got your direct deposit going there, we're gonna increase that because we know you're gonna get that check. You know, that check is signed, and they did that pretty fast because it's like as soon as they signed that bill, it's like Chime was just waiting, and that feature I heard for a lot of people was just easy. You know, if you guys if you guys already got Chime and you're thinking like, hey, do I have the feature or not? Go in your settings right now. You guys may already have the feature. All you gotta do is increase it. You know, you may start at $45, but you may just have to increase it. You know, if you're eligible, keep in mind that the new SpotMe limit is temporary and limits will be adjusted to normal levels once stimulus payments are distributed. So okay, that's basically what they're saying. They're basically saying like, if you have direct deposit from your stimulus check going to your account, you are going to be qualified for the SpotMe of $200 right now. And then once this is over with, it pays back. It will probably go back down to whatever it was. Whatever that is, that's between you and Chime. Now, all eligible members will be notified through email, so keep on the lookout for additional notifications in your inbox. And it's crazy how fast, like I said, the government and stuff be moving because this just got approved, and then like hours later, Chime does this. And like I said, that's good thinking. They're on their toes. If you guys are newly Chime and you're thinking like, hey, I'm on to sign up for Chime, you get paid 2 days early. You know, there's no transaction fees. You have a credit builder card. You can build your credit. Use my link, guys. Use my link right now, and they're actually gonna give you guys $75 just for doing it. $75 just for doing it. Use my link, people. And oh yeah, because I know a lot of people was using my link. Increase cannot be combined with any offers or other bonuses. Your maximum SpotMe limit is $200. So it really went from being like $20 SpotMe, $25 SpotMe, $100 SpotMe. Now there's a $200 SpotMe, And Chime is just going up. Then you may look up and it may be $1,000. You know what I mean? Who knows? But if you're taking advantage of that offer, drop the comments below as well. Let me know what your SpotMe limit was before. You know what it is now. If it increased or if it didn't increase. But if this is some good content for you guys, make sure you guys like the video. Now, Chime also says your increased SpotMe limit is not an advance from Chime, a loan, or an additional to the government stimulus. So that's where they breaking it like, hey, this is not a loan, this is not another check, this is a spot. Like basically, this is a spot. You know, it's like we're supplementing you. Like I said, you're working out, they're literally spotting you to help you get that bench press to get the bar up. They're spotting you. You know, with that being said, like I said, your account's gonna go to negative, but once that stimulus check comes or your direct deposit, they're gonna get their money back right off the top. So you guys gotta remember that if you guys thinking you guys will have a certain amount from the stimulus checks or whatever direct deposits, you guys gotta understand that soon as that check hit, Chime is taking their money out. You're not paying them, you don't have to transfer money to pay them, they're taking their money out. And remember, Chime members who direct deposit will also receive their stimulus checks up to 2 days faster than some banks. So if you have that stimulus check direct deposited, you could get it 2 days earlier. And it's crazy how Chime can do that, you know, with these stimulus checks and really stuff like the stimulus checks where it's off the fly. They're doing it and you can really get access to it 2 days early. That's crazy. That's beyond me. And remember, also, no matter what your current situation is, we hope having faster access to this money will help put your mind at ease. They know a lot of people, you know, are going through a lot of tough situations, especially with this COVID-19. So they're trying to basically give back, you know, give back to their customers, to the people who download the app, to the people that use the application. So that's good on their behalf. We've got your back. We want to hear from you. Share some love using Chime Cares on Twitter or share on Facebook. That's dope. And also share this video as well. So when you guys do that, share this video and then hashtag Chime Cares. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Drop the comments below if you got any questions regarding Chime, any questions about the SpotMe feature. Use my download link. You'll be qualified for that SpotMe feature. You'll get $75. It's a win-win. Signing out.